Here at Kamogawa, that's close to Kitaoji station. It's a rare occasion today. Actually, I get to visit kyomachiya. It's about to start the renovation, and the owner is actually somebody, well, not a client, but a viewer from the YouTube channel, who will have been mailing back and forth regarding buying a kyomachiya, and he actually ended up buying this place, and then and I get a chance to visit the kyomachiya before renovation and talk to the architect and contractor about how this kyomachiya is going to be renovated. So let's go. So the renovation is about to start for this place. This on the outside is actually, I think, just a temporary toilet. Usually it's plastic, but I guess they have a wooden one, which looks kind of nice on the outside, although it's only temporary. Let's go inside the kyomachiya. Right at the entrance, we have a stairway going up. And they're having kind of a serious meeting. Oh, back walls. Okay, wow. This is the first floor tatami room. They've completely taken out the foundation, which is quite interesting because I've heard Sakujigumi has already fixed this kyomachiya once before it was sold, so the foundation should be relatively good, but perhaps they want to make a big layout change. This used to be an outdoor toilet or a bathroom area. Again, they've taken out everything, leaving the roofs, so maybe they're keeping this area the same, but changing everything inside. This is obviously all rotten, but they'll probably just cut off the bottom part and replace it with a new piece of wood, netsuki. And here's the garden. They've obviously left the really expensive piece of stone and wood. Looks like wood, but it's actually stone. And this one as well. I'm sure it's very expensive for something this size. Here's my fist. You can see how big this thing is. The outer wall looks very new, so I'm sure they're going to keep all of it. This foundation is concrete. Interesting. Another view of the garden from the back. The toilet space and the second floor. Some parts that kind of resembles how this area was before. I'm not sure why they have the roof tiles here. More concrete. And then finally we get to the shikui, plaster wall. I think with some cleaning you don't even need to do anything to this wall. Maybe just the foundation for a bit to remind damages. Right. Let's go check out the second floor. Wow. Really spacious. The upper area of the wall needs to be repainted. Usually that's the hidden part that the original owners don't care so much about how it looks, but if they're going to show the entire open ceiling, then probably they're going to have to make the wall look a bit better, or at least seal the hole. The second floor tatami room. Looks like they're probably going to keep everything the same as it looks now. I wouldn't change anything about this area if it was my house. The ceiling here, I'm not sure. Probably keeping it as well. Looks really nice. And storage area. Here you can see the outside. Definitely no need to repair the roof at all. Looks like it's just done a few years ago. No tall buildings covering the sunlight and everything, so really nice location. It's kind of close to the main road. But if you have all the windows closed, it's probably not a big problem.